Hey, Travels with Dottie here, and I wanted to follow up with those of you that might have seen my video where I talked about this app that solved kind of a problem that I have and a lot of others, especially single full-time RVers have. It's like, what if something happens to me and I can't get to my phone? I worry about my pets too. I mean, I'm 66. I'm going to keep doing this as long as I can. And I'm going to pass away someday. And one of my worst fears is that happens. And my beautiful little pets here, well, there's only one you can see because the other one's hiding. But there's Dottie, my dog, and George, the kitty, is over in the corner, and I can't turn the camera that far. But this topic came up, and I did a search and found out, hey, is there like a? It came up in a breakfast I was having with some other men, and the topic came up. A guy, he's 90 years old. He lives near me. He lives alone. He said that there must be something that we could do in our neighborhood where people like you and I that live alone, that there can be some way to automatically check in on a daily basis to make sure people are okay. And as he's talking, I'm thinking, I'm gonna pick up my phone, and I'm like, I think we can find something here. And sure enough, I found an app. And here I found the name of it, and I'm on an iPhone, and I'm gonna play for you here the screen recording of how I went and found it. So here, I went to the App Store, typed in Snug, and it went down there. It's Snug Safety, and it is free. And here it is. I go in, and I'm setting mine for 9 a.m. You can set it for any time. That's my check-in time. It's going to prompt me to say I'm okay at 9 o'clock every morning. And there are paid versions that you can have, but I'm not worried about those. I'm going to just talk to you about the free portion. I don't know much about the paid part, but this is all I feel like I need. If I, Depending on where I am, I pick a person, and I put their information in. I can send a test notification. This shows just the settings that you have to have on the iPhone for it. And here we have, hang on, I'm going to show you some messages that come up. So here's a display of my check-in, 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. More, I guess you can pay, but you only really need one. A message that my friend got on her text. It says, Robert Wakely, that's me, selected you as their emergency contact on Snug, a daily check-in app. Confirm here. So if you add someone, they have to confirm it and agree to it. You can't just randomly, you know, as much as I'd like to add Marissa Torme to be my person, she would have to agree to it. Then here's the message on the test where I said, "Look, I'm not going to check in." And sure enough, at 9:09 a.m., it said Robert did not respond to today's check-in reminder at Snug. You may want to check on them. Last known location. Now you can only put in one location, so if you move, you can't put in a new location unless you do the paid version. But my theory is, in this, like, if I'm going to I'll put another friend in Eagle Nest. They know where I am, right? But if you want to be more dynamic and you move frequently, you might want to do the paid version, and there are other options for that. And when I did, I checked in, but I checked in late, and this is the message they got when I checked in. And it says, Robert has checked in with Snug today. I will check with them again tomorrow. So my person knows that I hit the okay, and I'm okay. Otherwise, they would have just walked over here or called me or call someone else to help them. You can have your own individual plans. Like with my friend here, she has of course, it has my phone number. She has the access to the code to open my trailer if I don't answer. She also has phone numbers for both my emergency numbers for both my sisters. So I gave her all that outside the app. I gave her that information. Um, there's an annual plan for $200 a year, or you can do it monthly for $20 a month. Um, there's the ability to do a wellness check coordination. The system will work with local EMS to coordinate a wellness check. Um, and there's ways to false alarm prevention, like they'll call you before they start calling EMS. Um, Custom profile notes, like the things I gave my friend off, separate. You can put in there, add instructions about your pets, home access information, or medical details. And you can do multiple check-in times, up to 3 per day. And you can cancel that at any time. But like I said, I'm doing the free version because of my situation. I'm either going to be one or three places: here, by the place I'm staying in Eagle Nest in the summer, or the RV park that I'm in the winter in Portside. But friends I have, like Sally Forth, she's moving around all year round. She's got a different location. So she might want to pay for the version where she can just keep putting their location in, because she's not going to be around probably close to the people that get notified. So if she used me and she notified me and I didn't know where she was, but if she updated this app, I would be able to send that location to 911 and get someone to her, no matter where she is in the country. So I think this is a really cool idea. And just to make it clear, this isn't sponsored. They don't sponsor me. They never heard of me. I never heard of them before the other day. I found out about them sitting at the breakfast table, listening to a guy wishing at the table, wishing there was something like this. I go, oh, look, I found something. And it's, um, I think they're recommended by AARP. Found that out after the fact. And I've been using it for a day and it seems to work really, really well. So I think you have all the information you need to do this, and I think it's an ideal thing for single people on the road, and you don't have to be on the road if you're alone and you don't have people that check in on you every day. This free app will do it. And really, it's so easy. All you have to do is it pops up on your phone and says, check in time, are you okay? Boom, you hit a button, you're done for the day. That's all you have to do. You don't have to jump through any hoops. But if you don't do it, you can set it up so someone will start asking questions and looking for you. And if you need help, you'll get the help that you need. I have an appointment. That's what that little bell means. So I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna tell you that I really think this is a great idea, and I think if you're single like I am, I think you should do it. I'm doing it. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.